Episode 29, Caramelized Onion Dip. Oh, I didn't see you there. Today we're gonna skip the onion soup mix packet and just make it ourselves. We need a bunch of onions, chopped up. It doesn't matter what size because they're going to be cooked down quite a bit. So get them on some oil, add 2 tablespoons of butter to get the flavor party going. And you cook and toss for about 45 minutes total. And these little guys will go through quite a flavor journey. But the end product is very worth it. And you're good on just about anything savory. Burgers, hot dogs, fries, garlic bread, regular bread, mac and cheese, by the spoonful, honestly. I have this entire video sped up by ×8, so you can actually go enjoy your day. There really isn't that much to say in between. I kinda nailed it already. So let's start at the very beginning. Onions were grown in ancient Egypt 5,500 years ago, India and China 5,000 years ago, and Sumeria 4,500 years ago. Organized onion cultivation started around 3,500 BC, and ancient civilizations that used them became dependent on this great vegetable. Just kidding. Is anyone still awake after that? Anyway, optional flavors. Some recipes call for sugar or balsamic vinegar or vinaigrette, but I say use them very sparingly because these onions, when they are finished, bring a good amount of sweetness. If you are going to add sugar, make sure you balance it out with something salty. Also, I recommend, first time you caramelize onions, try the onions like every 10 or so minutes, just to see the flavor change. It's a big difference. And now, patience, and keep mixing. Don't walk away. Now once they reach this stage, they are ready and they are absolutely not burnt. They are amazing. And now it's dip time. Add 1 cup of sour cream, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 2 cups of onions, at least, salt and black pepper, garlic powder, and a splash of the Shire. Mix it all together and fridge for at least an hour. Okay, so this is the bare bones dip recipe. I recommend adding extra seasoning, just because who just wants to eat a plain cup of sour cream? So you can try adding any spices you got. Onion powder, splash of hot sauce, you name it. Anything else you would want to have with a salty chip. Well, that's all I got. That's it for this episode. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you real soon. Basic recipe will be linked in the description. Why not follow?